Keeping track of your business and your inventory has always been time-consuming and complicated. There's managing suppliers, keeping track of stock levels, best-selling items, shipments, consignment stock, warehouses and sales, not to mention cash flow, ordering, accounting, and much more. Phew! Staying on top of all of this is vitally important. Offering excellent customer service is sometimes just not enough. You also need to keep track of your margins, keep your costs in check, and free up working capital. With Unleashed's feature-rich, simple-to-use inventory management solution, you'll know how much stock you have in real time, no matter where you are. And now, Unleashed integrates with QuickBooks Online, an inventory solution that talks directly with your favorite accounting software, so you can easily stay on top of the vital information you need to manage and grow a successful business. This powerful business integration gives you access to functions you won't get in QuickBooks Online alone, like margin reporting based on accurate landed costs, and manufacturing features that makes creating a bill of materials and assembling items quick and simple. Unleashed updates your P&L in real time, records something in Unleashed, and it'll show up straight away in QuickBooks Online. And since it's all in the cloud, you'll have secure access to real-time business information on your favorite device anytime and from anywhere. Get the powerful combination of Unleashed and QuickBooks Online. Unleash your business potential now.